Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will show you my recipe for banana oats muffin. No sugar added. The ingredients are eggs, baking soda, vanilla, cinnamon powder. So instead of sugar, I will use date syrup, bananas, whole wheat flour, whole oats. So, ito yung klase ng banana na ginagamit ko for baking. So, ang advice ko, if you are planning to bake anything na involving banana, bumili kayo ng banana around 4 to 5 days prior. You will also need extra virgin olive oil, milk, and salt. This coconut sugar, gagamitin ko yan as toppings lang later. But it's optional. And also, you can mix in some of your favorite dried fruits or nuts. But for me, I will fold in later some peanut butter chips. Because banana and peanut butter goes well together. So, yun ang gagamitin ko. So, ayan na nga, yung bananas, imamash lang natin siya. You don't need a mixer for this. Fork lang, pwede na. Imamash lang natin siya together. Itong actual video ko, ginawa ko siya ng, actually, for normal recipe, which ilalagay ko sa description box below, it will make around 12 muffins. So, ako gusto kong 24 muffins. So, double yung ginawa ko sa ingredients na nakalagay sa description box. Nagets nyo? Magulo. Sorry. Basta, yung ilalagay ko sa description box, it will make 12 muffins. So, kung gusto niyo ng double the size of it, maging 24, I mean, idodouble nyo lang yung ingredients. Okay? So, ayan na nga. Mash lang. Usually, for 12 muffins, kailangan ng 1 cup of mashed banana. Mga 3 bananas, ganyan. Depende sa size ng banana. So, here, 3 bananas muna yung nilagay ko kasi supposed to be 12 muffins lang. Kaya lang, sabi ko, since gagawa na rin lang ako, gawin ko ng 24 kasi you can keep it in the freezer for up to 3 months. So, ito-thaw nyo lang siya kung gusto nyo na siyang kainin, and then microwave lang for few seconds, ready na. Kaya, nilakihan ko na yung batch na ginawa ko. And syempre, free taste for my housemates. Housemates and office mates. So, ayan na nga. After yan, nagdagdag pa ako ng 3 bananas para maging 2 cups yung banana. Ayan na siya. Ako, preferred ko, hindi ko talaga minamash yung buong banana. I mean, nagtitira ako ng konting lumps kasi feeling ko nag-help siya na maging moist yung banana. Now, on a separate bowl, maglalagay na tayo ng extra virgin olive oil. For 12 muffins, 1/3 cup lang. Pero since 24 muffins gagawin ko, dalawang 1/3 cup ang ilalagay. Next, on the same bowl, we will put date syrup. 1/2 cup. But then again, like I said, 24 yung pieces yung ginagawa kong muffin. So, 1 cup ang ilalagay natin na date syrup. Date syrup is a healthier option than sugar. So, tinry ko lang tong date syrup since nasa Middle East ako and dates is like their national fruit. So, take advantage of it. So, ayan nga. So, simutin natin yung measuring cup para walang sayang. I decided na ito yung una kong ituro sa inyo because this is so easy, as in super easy. Hindi mo kailangan ng electric mixer. You don't need a stand mixer. And 1 bowl, mixing bowl lang, carry na. So, ayun na nga. Mix together the extra virgin olive oil and the date syrup. Now, once you see this consistency, actually makikita nyo talagang nagmix na yung, well blended na yung olive oil and the date syrup. idadagdag naman natin ang egg. Now, for egg, it is really advisable na ilagay nyo siya muna sa isang lalagyan and then transfer sa mixing bowl. Kasi, ang tendency, ayan, nakita nyo? Yung shell, pag nasama na doon sa ginagawa nating mixture, mahirap na siyang kunin. So, it is really advisable na break it sa isang lalagyan and then ilagay sa mixing bowl. And also, syempre, kapag minsan unexpectedly merong mga egg na yung sira. So, kapag na-mix mo yun directly doon or brinake mo directly doon sa mixing bowl, wala na. Sira na yung butter na ginagawa mo. 'Di ba? So, yun lang. Break it on a new bowl or a separate bowl and then add sa iyong mixing bowl. Okay? And then, mix lang ulit together. Yan. Mix lang ng mix. Okay? So, rule of thumb yan ha. Kapag magbe-bake, ang egg, i-break sa ibang lalagyan bago ilagay sa mixture. Okay, now, ilalagay na natin yung ating mashed bananas. I will repeat. The full ingredients, ilalagay ko sa description box below para ma-follow nyo. Okay, huwag kayong malilito sa ginagawa ko kasi, like what I've said, 2 batch tong ginagawa ko. So, for 12 muffins, 1 cup of mashed banana lang ang kailangan, which is around 3 bananas. Okay, but for me, itong video, 2 cups of mashed bananas kasi nga I'm making 24 muffins. So, ayan na nga, mix together until well combined and then yung remaining ingredients, tuloy-tuloy na yon, idadagdag na lang natin ng idadagdag. Now, after adding or mixing the mashed bananas, we will now add 1/4 cup of milk. That is for 12 muffins. But for 24 muffins, which I am doing in this video, dalawang 1/4 cup ng fresh whole milk. I prefer using whole milk kapag nagbe-bake kasi mas rich and creamier siya. I will not recommend you using skimmed milk or low-fat milk kasi yung content ng fats niya iba. But maybe you can try. And if you will try, please comment down below kung okay naman yung outcome. After milk, we will add the baking soda, vanilla extract, salt, and cinnamon powder. I love cinnamon powder. I mean, I love cinnamon. I love the smell of cinnamon. So, after adding those ingredients, imimix lang natin siya, but do not overmix, okay? Now, time to add our flour. I am using whole wheat flour para mas healthy keme. But you can use all-purpose flour. You can actually add in your flour directly dun sa mixture natin kanina. Hindi ko rin alam kung bakit hiniwalay ko pa ng lalagyan. Dagdag hugasin. So, ayun na nga. We will add the flour to our mixture. And then, after ng flour, we will add the oats. After the oats, it's time for us to add the optional ingredients. Like, for me, I'm adding peanut butter chips, raisins, and nuts sana kaso wala akong available nuts. But you can add in walnuts, ganyan, i-chop nyo lang. But for me, ito nga, peanut butter chips and raisins will do. So, kanina whisk yung gamit ko. This time, since ifo-fold lang natin yung add-in ingredients, I am using a spatula. So, mix them together na just enough na parang makover lang ng wet ingredients yung flour and oats. Again, do not overmix. Ang tawag dito sa procedure na to is cut and fold. ika-cut sa middle, and then ifo-fold lang natin siya carefully. Ayan, so cut and fold. Cut and fold. This time, we need to be patient, okay? So, wag madaliin. Carefully cut and fold your mixture. I just needed to speed up the video ng pag-cut and fold, guys, okay? Pero careful dapat. By this time, you should preheat your oven ng 170 degrees Celsius. It's my first time to bake in this oven, so ginawa ko muna siyang 175 degrees Celsius na preheat, and then later on, gagawin ko siyang 170 degrees kapag ilalagay ko na yung muffin. So, okay na yung butter natin. Now, it's time to prepare. I am using a wax paper or a baking paper para maging holder nung muffin. Hindi ako gumamit ng cupcake holder kasi parang mas malakas maka-Starbucks yung ganyan yung style, diba? Yung wax paper or baking paper yung gamit. Or if you don't have a wax paper or a baking paper or a muffin holder or cupcake holder, pwede naman yung mismong baking tin mo, mag-brush ka lang ng melted butter or cooking oil, ganyan, para hindi dumikit yung muffin or yung binake mo doon sa baking tin. As you can see sa video, medyo struggling ako na i-form yung wax paper or yung baking paper ko. So, dahil sa kaartehan, instead na nag-muffin holder na lang ako or cupcake holder, ayan, panindigan natin. Now, using a cookie scooper or ito, ang gamit ko, 2 spoons. Yan, bale, 2 tablespoons ang nilalagay ko. So, try natin sa ibang angle. Ganitong angle naman. Akala mo ikinaganda. So, ayan na nga. Ayan. So, nagawa na siya, finally. And then, on top of that, lalagyan natin siya ng konting whole oats sa ibabaw. And coconut sugar. Kung gusto nyo naman. Kung ayaw nyo, okay lang na wag lagyan. Pero, I suggest na lagyan nyo ng konting coconut sugar sa ibabaw. And then, cinnamon powder. Ayan, konting tak-tak-tak. Ganyan. Wag naman masyadong madami, guys. As in, parang onti lang talaga, literal. Kasi kapag masyadong marami, baka mag-overpower na. And there are some people na hindi nila gusto yung cinnamon. But for me, like what I've said kanina, gusto ko yung cinnamon. So, for me, okay lang na madami. Pero kung kayo gagawa and meron mga kakain sa inyo ng ayaw ng cinnamon, konti lang ilagay nyo. O, diba? Look how pretty they are. Ayan na siya. So, ready na for baking. Ilalagay na natin siya sa oven. Ginawa ko na yung temperature niya to 170 degrees Celsius. And like what I've said nga, first time kong gagamitin tong oven. So, medyo kakapain ko pa lang kung ilang minutes. But, generally, it will be between 20 to 23 minutes. So, after 20 minutes, i-check ko na siya. Look how pretty yung dome, o, diba? Ayan, insert the toothpick. Pag malinis na at hindi na basa yung toothpick, it means okay na siya. So, ito turn off ko na. Although, tinurn off ko na yung oven, iniwan ko pa rin siya doon for few more minutes. Mga 2 to 3 minutes, ganyan. Sayang kasi yung init. So, ayan na. Kukunin na natin siya. Yan. Careful lang ha, kasi sobrang init talaga niyan. So, please don't forget to use pot holder. See, I told you, sobrang dali lang niyang gawin. So, I hope you guys can try this recipe. Alam nyo, marami akong kakilala, confused sila kung ano ba ang muffin at ano ba ang cupcake. Well, ang muffin, ganito. Para siyang cupcake, but with dome. Dome means yung may umbok sa ibabaw. That's muffin. And ang cupcake naman is nilalagyan ng icing. dapat flat yung cake and then saka mo siya lalagyan ng icing on top or any toppers. Yun ang cupcake. See how moist and fluffy and airy the muffin is? Diba? Tapos yung mga peanut butter chips and the raisins. Yummy. Best paired with a cup of coffee or tea. Yan, may merienda na kayo or breakfast. So like what I've said, you can freeze this up to 3 months and thaw it a night before kung kailan nyo siya gustong kainin and then microwave for a few seconds. Then voila! You have a muffin. I really do hope you will try this recipe and please comment down below kung nagustuhan ninyo. I also would like to take this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. Yay! 500 na tayo! So I hope yung mga hindi pa nakasubscribe, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Always remember guys, just cook it. Until my next video, ta-ta!